Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put up a link on your Instagram story. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram. Then let's create our story. Now you want to click on the top left corner where it says your story. You want to click on it and then you want to select something that you want to post. This is going to be our post over here. Let's finish the editing. For example, you have to, if you want to, put certain text, right? And then you can add some music over here. When you finish editing the content, all you gotta do is to swipe your phone from the bottom towards the top, just like this. On this specific page, you have a lot of stickers that are coming with additional functions. You have location, you can mention someone, you can add particular images, photos, you can add friends, you can ask questions, but this is where you're going to find the link stuff. You can click link over here and you will have the availability to copy the link from your website, from third-party website, affiliate, landing page, sales page. You can simply paste the link over here. Let's say, for example, you want to send the people to google.com, right? As long as the link is legitimate and it's active, all you gotta do is to press done. There you have it. We have the link over here. But let's say you don't want to have it like too obvious, right? Too salesy. You want to make it small and probably want to put it somewhere over here. You can actually change the color in the background so you can make it more smooth, more tuned. And it's very important to be mentioned that when you actually click the arrow over here and publish your story, the link will not appear as it's seen over here. When people actually see this image, right, there will be a small arrow indicating that people can learn more by simply swiping up. So this is the beauty and the magic of how you can actually gain free traffic to your product, service, or page, or probably you're shooting for more followers. You can put the link on your own Instagram account, right? Just think about if you create an engaging post, like whatever is trending right now, Christmas tree or some giveaways or some news, and then you put the link to swipe up so people can actually follow you, your YouTube channel or some other channel that simply will help you grow and probably earn more money. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.